That's a pretty good hit, don't you think?
Yep.
How fast?
1.3.
Huh?
1.1.
1.31. How about 1.1? That's pretty consistent, would you agree? Okay. Shit, still 1.1, sorry. I really thought I was going slow, but what I think about on this, unlike most people, everybody's thinking, going fast, I'm thinking fold, up, turn, hand, out, boom. That's what I'm thinking about. You get a cadence, you know? I'm going to try to go deliberately slow. What was that? That was the 1.3. Slide.
I like how he rolls. He's got a baton tucked back here. He's got an extra pistol up front. It's like, why reload when you can just re-gun?
Yeah. 2 is 1, 1 is none, right?
Exactly. You're living it, man.
Make it touch your chest.
Okay.
That way you know you're not going to muzzle yourself.
Okay.
You start drifting out here, you could potentially have a problem. So what I do is,
That's a contact.
I
point.
make contact. Yeah, I make contact. Up, boom.
Okay.
Does that make sense to you?
Makes sense.
Okay.
Good deal.
Feel the difference between the two draws? Now let's put this into practicality. What could this be right here? Could be a steering wheel, dashboard, table you're sitting behind, somebody in front of you. Yeah, all those various things. That's why you want to come up and go over instead of underneath, okay? We're going to cure it. Ready? Hut!
I shot it just for fun. Yeah.